So we have A, which is bar 2.7 times 4. So this will be equal to, we expand this one and multiply it by 4. So 4 will be outside the bracket to multiply minus 2 plus 0.7. So this is the expansion of bar 2.7. So our solution will now be 4 times minus 2 will give us minus 8 plus 4 times 0.7 will give us 2.8. So we are now going to expand this part of the number. So this will be equal to minus 8 plus 2 plus 0.8. So we are going to add this plus 2 to minus 8. And that will give us minus 8 plus 2 will give us minus 6 plus 0.8. So the final answer now will be equal to bar 6.8. So here we are going to have bar 6.8. Now let's look at the B part, which is bar 6.9 to be divided by 3. So the same process, we are going to put 3 outside the bracket. Then bar 6 will become minus 6 plus 0.9, close the bracket. So 3 to go into minus 6 will give us minus 2 plus 3 to go into 0.9 will give us 0.3. This will be equal to this will equal to bar 2.3 as the final answer. Let's look at the C part of the question. The C part, C, which is bar 4.7. Bar 4.7 to be divided by 3. So this will be equal to 3 open bracket minus 4 plus 0.7 close bracket. So this will be equal to 3 open bracket. Now remember, 3 cannot divide 4 exactly. So you look for numbers that 3 can divide exactly. So what are those numbers? 3 can divide 3 exactly. 3 can divide 6 exactly. 3 can divide 9, 12. I mean, these are multiples of 3. So these multiples of 3, we cannot use 3 because 3 is less than 4 itself. So we have to use this 6. You can use 6, you can use 9, you can use 12. But the best among them is 6. Any of them you use, you can arrive at the same answer. So let's use 6 here. So we are going to write minus 6 here instead of 4. So what number will you add to this minus 6 to give us minus 4? That number is 2. So we have expanded this number because minus 4 is the same thing as minus 6 plus 2. So that we now add our 0.7 to it. So we are doing this so that we can divide it with 3. So if we continue, we are now going to get 3 open bracket minus 6 plus 2.7. So you can see now 3 can divide this one, which is 3 into minus 6 will give us minus 2 plus 3 into 2.7 will give us 0.9. So our final answer therefore is bar 2.9. Let's look at the D part, that is bar 7.2 to be divided by 4. So we are going to follow the same process of C. So we are going to put 4 outside the bracket, expand by 7 as minus 7 plus 0.2. Multiples of 4. And multiples of 4, we have 4, we have 8, we have 12, and so on. But we cannot use 4 because it's less than 7. So we are going to use 8. So in this case, we are going to expand the minus 7 as minus 8 plus 1 plus 0.2. So we now have 4 into, well, first of all, we have 4 into minus 8 plus 1.2. So you can see 4 can divide minus 8, and that will give us minus 2, plus 4 can divide 1.2, and that will give us 0.3. So if we add it, we are going to get about 2.3. That's the final answer. So here we have our final answer to be, that is the B part, about 2.3. And here we have about 2 again, 0.9. And here we have about 2.3. So this is multiplication and division of logarithms of bar notation. So take note of this. Anytime you have logarithm, you want to add, subtract, divide, and multiply. This is the way to do it. Thank you and God bless you.